Good morning. Welcome to the Crypto Show. Man's not hot. Man can never be hot. Perspiration ting. Check me out. Early morning analysis on Bitcoin. Let's get to talking about Bitcoin this morning. The intangible coin, the coin that you can't touch or smell. Let's get it popping. Let's go get some free Bitcoins after that. Let's see how structure maintained. What I told y'all. What did I tell y'all? 23.6 continuation. I told you if structure was to hold and maintain, it would make a continuation at the 23.6. And what happened? It got to the 23.6, made this powerful move on the 4 hour. That's such a powerful, depending on how this closed, that buy I spoke of is looking beautiful. Let's go down, break down into the 1 hour chart, see where we're going, wow, what I told you. Sell opportunity down here, buy opportunity up here. This was my area that I would look for confirmation if I was going to either buy or sell Bitcoin on the analysis that I made. Projections came true. Still respected that trend line from the past. Let me delete this. Show you something real quick. I could take this old trend line, take it into the future, and it still respects that trend line. Trend line bounce, boom. If it closes under this trend line, I know I can look for sales. But for now, I'm looking for buys. Even just based on this setup. I'm waiting for that EMA cross. Maybe a tap, a retouch of the EMA. Hits the EMA and skyrockets. It blows right past 20K. And you know what's going to happen to my coins. My coins are going to go up. I hope you have some coins right now that you're just holding on to. Future, he bought somewhere up here. Future just say, hey, I got money or whatever. So right now he's probably experiencing a whole lot of drawdown because, you know, most people that don't know about Bitcoin are just buying Bitcoin at random given moments. I've been giving times off my videos, if you're watching my videos, when to buy Bitcoin. Everything else is going to be correction. Every time Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency falls as of this moment is a correctional move. Is a move of correction. It has to correct itself, go find the next level of support, and then shoot back up because there's a sense of supply and demand. And when supply and demand is in effect, there's times where you want to buy and there's times where you want to sell. But the sales, don't expect them to be long. The only time to expect them to be long is when they pass this 38.2 mark. Once it passes 38.2 mark, you can start looking for a downtrend. That would be a trend change. Anything under the 23.6 is a trend change. Sometimes it consolidates in this range. Don't get it wrong. Sometimes it consolidates. That's why I said if you sold from way back here, this area right here, you're in profit. If you're selling right now, you're still in profit. But your stop profit did get hit based off that last move I told y'all to place here. So you walked away with at least 1,000 pips. If you took that trade from way back here, from here to here, you obtain 1,000 pips, which is a really good move, even though it's a small move. But Bitcoin is so volatile, like, it happens that way, you know? Check me out. Based on all this right here, depends if I buy or sell. But as of right now, because I had missed that move technically, I'm not even in a trade right now. But if I wanted to look for entries, it would be somewhere based off this line, depending on the open and close of a candle. Let's go to the next 30 minutes. See, yes, if this 30-minute candle does not close down here, this would be an engulfing variation. Still valid. If you're in a buy right now from here, or if you caught this buy right here, once the EMAs did cross and you are up to catch that move right there, or if you caught an entry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours ago, if you entered the market or if you bought Coinbase within the last 5 hours, my bad, I'm sorry, this is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. In the last 3 hours, if you bought any Bitcoin in the last 3 hours, you're fine. You're still fine as right now. You're in profit. So all you would have to do is maintain your order. If you entered 3 hours from now, place your stop profit around here. So it's a risk-free trade. You're not taking a risk. You're not going to lose anything. You won't get margin called out of your account. If you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about, because I've been trading for the last 2 years. I just got into crypto. Crypto's exciting. It's new. It's something I can expand my prior knowledge on. And once I get my prior knowledge explained, I can continue to show y'all what I'm talking about. Now let's go over here. Let's go get some more free Bitcoins. Right here, you put in the captcha. I gotta refresh the page. Once the page is refreshed, I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Come here, get some intangible coin, get some portions of Bitcoin. SWFVXM. Let's go ahead and add that to the Satoshis I have. I share this. I've gone up. Shout out to the 3 people who signed up. You know, I'm sharing my Bitcoins in this, so some of y'all will get a portion of this, and I'm only gonna have 10%. But I get payouts every week from the person I signed up under, which was Trayvon James. He shares his Bitcoins also, so I get to share that with you guys. You know, but the link's in the description. Earn free Bitcoins. It's pretty cool. I got my certification. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, baby. So, yeah, y'all could eat that. Let's go to the coin market cap. Let's see how these coins recover. See, they were down. They were down. Coins are going up. You know what? The only coin that went up? Bitcoin. It recovers. And everything else is still red. Let's go check out bitconnect. Even look at that. While everything else is in the red, what happened to bitconnect and Bitcoin? It recovers. All right? It recovered. Check that out. Bitcoin's not hot. It could never be hot. It's just a mining thing. Woo! Check you out. Check you out. Bitcoin's not hot, man. Let's run it. Let's run it up. Watch us get these intangible coins. Let's go count our coins. Oh, my bad. I'm going to show you my coins because I'm about to go count my coins. If you want to get some coins, you know, links in the description. Sign up to BitConnect. Hit me up. Put up a comment. I can walk you through it. Tutorial coming soon. Watch out for that. I'm going to show y'all how to start your own journey, you know, and get these intangible coins. The ones that you can't touch or smell. I'm not a robot. Not a robot. Storefront. They want a storefront. What's see? I think I got all the storefronts. How you living? How you living? Man, everything's good, yo. Let me retype in this password. I got like 20 million passwords. That's why I was in shock. You feel me? But we ain't gonna talk about that. Oh man, apartment building. Let's get verified. Yeah, there's a glare on the screen, you know, I had to kind of move it around. Let's go. Let's go. Let's check up Linden Wallet, almost $7. Look at that. Gonna reinvest in a couple of days. Let's go check the Bitcoin volatility. Let's check the volatility. 150. No, you gotta reload. You gotta reload. Reload it. Oh yes. Yes, 150 for tomorrow. I told y'all. Remember, I was like, I'll take that. I'll take this. I'll take that. Why? Because look what happened after all those low days. Been straight 1%, 1%. You gotta expect the lows. The market has to go up and down. It can't go in one direction forever. Everyone keeps thinking that the market goes in one direction. No, it creates structure. It follows structure. It follows supply and demand. It follows the technical analysis that it sits on. You know. But a lot of people don't know technical analysis. Some people watch videos. I took, you know, Wall Street Academy certified, Confluence trader, price action trader. You know, I'm a byproduct of WSA, TPS, PST. Like, I've been in a lot of trading groups. I've met a lot of traders, you know. Like, I know my stuff. And if you've been watching these videos, a lot of y'all made some money. And shout out to y'all who did, who told me on Facebook, who told me on Instagram, who told me on Telegram. You know, reach out to me. I'll reach back out back. Like I'm about this. Like I'm about this crypto life that everyone's not really even about. They just want to talk because of the hype. Like I'm gonna show y'all my team right now. I'm building a team. My team's building a team. We going in. Right now we going in. We doing what it do. Slowly but surely. 14 signups. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Boom. I got 3 active out of 14, so that's alright. 11 people. It's cool. 11 people still watch and sign up. They believe in some sort. I can't rush them to get their coins. At least they want some coins. Shout out to them. Let's go check out the Linden wallet. Let's see what the profits were made off, based off what loans. Because, I've been doing these loans now. That's great. That's great. Linden wallet. Boom. I got paid 23. Oh, yeah, I'm going to be at $7 by tomorrow because every time I reinvest, they've been at different times. So the payouts come in at different times. So that is great. I'm loving it. We're getting these intangible coins up. I told y'all bitconnect is positive. Go check out my motivational video. Like, subscribe. Put it in a comment. Look at that. Look at that. I would have bought. This is what I was waiting for. That 30 minutes, they didn't break that. I'm buying right now. We can go down to a small time frame to look for better confirmation. But even then, we're going to do small price action. This is small price action. This right here is stating that it's the last level of resistance. This is based off current price. We're not using any history to dictate what's going on right now. So it came down here, closed, but it came up here to retest. I believe it's going to break this level and continue to go up. Why? Because this candle right here had showed it broke through this last level of structure, and this candle closed up here. It has to retest. It retest, came, found some support, and is on its way up. This is based on lower time frame structure, based off my higher time frame projections. Okay, these are my projections. These are Fibonacci extension. These are an extension of the last recent move. We can even adjust it a little bit. Let's click on this, adjust it a little bit, because it did create lower. Boom. Now there we go. See? There we go. If you enter that trade, you're so close to take profit, it's crazy. And this would be the first level take profit, boom. Then your second level take profit, boom. This is your third level take profit, boom. Right here, price can consolidate and range based off these higher highs. Right now, this would be considered a higher low, and this would be a swing from the last push. The last push came in, boom. This was the last consolidation range. Prior to the last push, you seen I did the little triangle, boom. It broke out of there, broke out this second triangle, boom. Structure. This is all market structure. 1, 2, 3, 3 pushes, created a new higher low. Higher highs and higher lows are what you find in an uptrend. So this would be considered an uptrend based off this calculation of Fibonacci. This is regular Fibonacci, Fibonacci extension. Those are the different various tools that can be used to be applied towards your price action and towards your confluence, which is great because this is great feed. This is great info. I've been giving nugs. You feel me? No USD JPY starting tomorrow. Going to drop some USD JPY, but based off this, and then we have a cross of our ADX. ADX is a indicator that shows momentum, and it broke that 20 level, which is nice. Boom, breaks, crossover. Hey, sometime next week, Bitcoin, I'm telling you, sometime next week, Bitcoin is going to be sitting over 20K. You can buy right now. I'll tell you to buy right now based off the 4-hour time frame. Every time higher time frame is more correlated with the lower time frame. It follows suit. Let's check out the daily. Daily has the most momentum. Still says buyers in control. So let's check that out. Right now it'll be a nice entry because why? The candle is now forming. Look at that. All right, so we're going to talk about this real quick. exhaustion. Those wicks are exhaustions. That's great indication to buy.